Every single one of these music videos was made from the same 20 seconds of song. Same audio, same starting point. One tool, 8 completely different results. And I made all of them in the time it takes to make a coffee. Let me show you exactly how. This is Freebeat AI, an AI music video generator that's built specifically around rhythm, not generic text to video. Right here on the homepage, you can already drop a Suno link or upload your own music and go straight into a video. No separate sign-up flow, no tutorial needed to figure out where to start. Notice it's already asking for the song first, not a text prompt. That's the whole philosophy here. The music comes first, and everything else gets built around it. 6 different starting points before you've even opened the real dashboard. Storytelling and abstract are the 2 I'm most curious about. We'll get to all of them in a minute. Worth a second here. It's not running on one single model. It's stitching together several well-known ones under the hood, which is probably part of why the output styles vary so much between modes. Let's stop reading about it and actually go use it. This is where the actual work happens, the agent dashboard. Let's slow down and actually look around before we generate anything, because there's more here than the homepage lets on. Agent is the one we care about today. That's the one marked hot, and it's the all-in-one mode. Toolbox is worth a separate video on its own, honestly, since it looks like individual tools live in there too. That one line, leave blank to let AI follow the music, tells you a lot. It's designed to work even if you have zero creative direction in mind, which is exactly the kind of person this video is for. A lot of small dials for something that markets itself as one click. That's actually a good sign. Simple by default, but there's real control sitting right underneath if you want it. I'm not going big yet. I want to see what this does with just a small snippet first, before I trust it with a full track. I'm dropping in about 20 seconds of a song right now. I'm gonna leave the vibe field blank for this first pass. I want to see what it decides on its own before I start steering it. That tells us more about the tool than if I handhold it from the first click. Everything else stays on default. 16:9, 720p, auto, fast. This is the baseline, the version an absolute beginner would get on their very first try. While that's processing, worth saying this is the part most tools rush past in their own demos. I'm leaving this in real time so you can actually see how long a short clip like this takes, not a jump cut to the finished result. Option 1, aspect ratio and resolution. Same clip, different shape. I'm switching this over to 9:16 for TikTok and Reels and bumping the resolution up to 1080p. Watch how much of the composition actually has to change, not just get cropped. Honest reaction here, whatever you see. If it just crops the wider version instead of recomposing the shot, say so. That's a real limitation worth flagging, not a reason to fake enthusiasm. Option 2, captions and remove watermark. Let's turn captions on and see how it times the lyrics to the beat. This is the karaoke-style highlighting the site talks about. And I'll flip the watermark toggle so you can see exactly what that changes on the free plan versus not. Option 3, auto versus manual control. Auto is the hands-free version we've been using so far. The AI is making every creative call. Now let's turn that off and see what manual control actually opens up. This is usually where a tool either proves it has real depth or just shows you the same 3 sliders with different labels. Whatever comes up here, call it out specifically. If there's a character consistency option, that's a big deal for anyone making a recurring series, not a one-off clip. Option 4, speed. Fast versus quality. Quick side-by-side. Fast mode versus quality mode. Same clip, same prompt. I want to know if quality is actually worth the extra weight, or if it's a marketing toggle that barely changes anything. Option 5, the mode row. Now the part I'm most excited about. Running the exact same 20 seconds of music through every mode on this row, back to back, so you can see how differently each one interprets the same song. Music video. This is our baseline, the one we already saw. Keep it in frame for comparison as we go through the rest. Dance video. Completely different energy already. This one's clearly built for performance and movement, not atmosphere. Real-time music video. This is the one that's actually a little unsettling to watch the first time. It's not pre-rendering, it's building the video while the song is literally playing. Photo karaoke. Very different use case from the rest. One photo in, and suddenly it's lip syncing. I can already think of 3 people who'd use this for a birthday video alone. On-beat effects. This feels like the one built for short form. Punchy, effect-heavy, clearly aimed at a 15-second attention span. More. And tucked under more, there's actually 5 more directions. Singing MV, storytelling, abstract, music cover, and video to music. That's genuinely more range than I expected from a tool that markets itself around one-click simplicity. Before I pick a favorite, a couple of honest notes. The interface itself never felt confusing, even with this many toggles. Everything stayed in one screen. Nothing sent me hunting through a settings menu. That's not nothing for a tool this feature-dense. On the flip side, not every mode nailed it on the first try. A couple of these took a regenerate to get something I'd actually use, which tracks with what a real viewer trying this at home should expect too. It's fast, but it's not flawless every single time. So from one 20-second clip, we just watched it turn into 6 or 7 completely different videos. Same song, same starting point, wildly different results depending on which mode you pick. That alone tells you this isn't a one-trick generator. Let's pick whichever one actually felt the strongest to us and generate that properly. Full length, best settings, no shortcuts this time. And that's the one we'll actually build the real video around. Once this finishes downloading, we've got everything we need. The baseline, the comparisons, and one real full-length result to show off properly.
Stay, 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 stay. Please don't go, I need you right here. You are the only one that I need near. You don't need